Hello kids, how are you? I hope all of you are doing very well at home and doing your work. Okay. Today in your computer class, we will do the bookwork of chapter managing files and folders. And you have to do that work only on your book. Okay. Don't maintain any computer notebook. Let's start the bookwork. Now we start the bookwork of chapter managing files and folders, and you have to do this work on your book only. No separate notebook required. Okay, there is no separate notebook for computer. You have to work only on the computer book. Okay, your bookwork is divided into two parts, section A and section B. And the first question in section A is fill in the blanks. You have hints are given. Okay, you can use the hints for filling the blanks. When we switch on a PC, the first screen that appear on a monitor is known as डेस्कटॉप. जब हम स्विच ऑन करते हैं अपने पीसी को, कंप्यूटर सिस्टम को ऑन करते हैं, जो पहली स्क्रीन हमारी आती है मॉनिटर पे, दैट इज कॉल्ड डेस्कटॉप. ओके. सेकंड, द सर्च टूल डैश कैन आल्सो बी यूज टू प्ले म्यूजिक एंड वीडियो. व्हाट आर द सर्च टूल इन विंडो 10? Cortana. Okay, that make it different from other versions. Second answer is Cortana. Third, the dash options at the bottom of the left pane of the start menu display all the apps and programs. What is this? That is all apps. Okay, when you click on the start button, start menu will appear. Okay, that left pane is called all apps. Fourth, the dash icon provides an easy and quick method to open any application or software. Answer is shortcut. When you create a shortcut of any application, you can directly open with that application without searching in all apps. Okay. Fifth, the dash provides detailed information about files, folders and drives. कौन है जो पूरी डिटेल देता है फाइल्स की, फोल्डर्स की, ड्राइव्स की? A ड्राइव, B ड्राइव, C ड्राइव, D ड्राइव, पेन ड्राइव. That is file explorer. Okay. Now the fill up is completed. Second, B part, that is state true or false. You have to give the answer in true or false, or you can write T or F. Okay. In window 10, only one desktop can be open at a time. False. You know, task view, you can see the various desktop with the help of task view button, and you can open multiple. There is no limit. You can open any number of desktop in window 10. Okay, so the first answer is false. Second, operating system control all the activity of the computer. Yes, true. Without operating system, a computer can't start, even can't shut down. Okay. Third, right clicking of any icon will display personalize option at the bottom of the display list. जब हम किसी आइकन पे राइट क्लिक करते हैं तो क्या हमें पर्सनलाइज ऑप्शन मिलती है एंड में? नो, फॉल्स. दैट इज प्रॉपर्टी ऑप्शन. पर्सनलाइज ऑप्शन कब मिलती है? जब हम डेस्कटॉप पे राइट क्लिक करते हैं, आइकन पे नहीं. ओके, सो द आंसर इज फॉल्स. Fourth, Cortana is inbuilt feature of Microsoft Edge. True. Cortana is a searching tool, and we can search any file on web directly. And for searching on a web, it required browser, that is Microsoft Edge. So that is a built-in feature. True. The fifth, shortcut menu is also called context menu. True. It is also called context menu. Pop-up menu, shortcut menu, or context menu. Okay. C, application based question. Mehak has created a number of files on her school project and stored them on the desktop. She wants to keep all the relevant project files in a folder, but she has forgotten the way to create a new folder. Help her to create a folder. इसमें क्या कह रहे हैं? महक ने अपने एक स्कूल के प्रोजेक्ट के लिए नंबर ऑफ फाइल्स, फॉर एग्जांपल 10 फाइल्स उसने बनाई हैं और उसकी वो डेस्कटॉप पे पड़ी हैं. ओके, एंड वो क्या करना चाहती है? उनको एक फोल्डर में डालना चाहती है, और वो भूल गई है कि कैसे बनाना है फोल्डर. तो आप उसको स्टेप्स बताने हैं कि हाउ वी कैन क्रिएट ए फोल्डर. तो यू हैव टू राइट क्लिक ऑन द डेस्कटॉप एरिया, ब्लैंक डेस्कटॉप एरिया. कॉन्टेक्स्ट मेन्यू विल अपीयर. क्लिक ऑन द न्यू बटन. आफ्टर दैट क्लिक ऑन फोल्डर. न्यू फोल्डर विल क्रिएट. Okay, these are the steps. Second, Saurabh has created a folder for his science project and saved it on his computer. But now he wants to rename it. Help him to do. मीन्स सौरभ ने क्या किया है, एक फोल्डर बनाया है अपने साइंस प्रोजेक्ट के लिए और वो उसको सेव किया है उसने अपने कंप्यूटर में। अब उस फोल्डर का वो नेम चेंज करना चाहता है, तो कैसे करेंगे? तो फर्स्ट स्टेप क्या होगा, राइट क्लिक ऑन दैट फोल्डर, कॉन्टेक्स्ट मेन्यू विल अपीयर, देयर इज ए वन ऑप्शन रीनेम, क्लिक ऑन द रीनेम बटन. After that it will give provide you space for writing the new name of that folder. You will write the name of the folder and enter. Okay, these are the application based question. Next, section B, first question is multi choice question. 3 options are given, choices are there, you have to tick on one. Window is a dash user interface. Which type of interface is it? Graphical, character or word? It's a graphical user interface. Why it is called a graphical user interface? Because you have seen Windows 10, there are so many icons. If you want to save a file, there is also an icon for saving. For opening a file, there is also icon for open a file. Okay, or everything is in graphical form. Okay, that's why it is called graphical user interface. Graphical means it include images. Okay, only text नहीं है, image के ऊपर हम क्लिक करते हैं तो वो काम करने लग जाते हैं. Okay. Second, a dash is a collection of relevant files stored together on some storage area. First option icon, second option folder, third option desktop. The answer is folder. Folder क्या होता है? कैबिनेट होता है ना, जो relevant फाइल, एक जैसी फाइल्स को हम एक जगह पे रखना चाहते हैं, that is folder. Okay. Third, dash is a default browser of Windows 10. What are the default browser of Windows 10? Microsoft Edge. Okay, we have done in features of Windows 10 now. Microsoft is a default browser of Windows 10. Fourth, the dash display the number of selected items and their total size. मतलब वो डिस्प्ले करता है कितने नंबर ऑफ आइटम सेलेक्टेड हैं और उनका साइज क्या है. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज स्टेटस बार, सेकेंड ऑप्शन इज टूल बार, थर्ड इज मेन्यू बार. आंसर इज स्टेटस बार. स्टेटस बताता है, आप जैसे व्हाट्सएप पे स्टेटस डालते हो ना कि आपके माइंड में अभी क्या चल रहा है. सेम एज ऑन कंप्यूटर सिस्टम्स, हाउ मेनी नंबर ऑफ आइटम्स आर सेलेक्टेड एंड व्हाट आर देयर टोटल साइज, इट इज शोन इन स्टेटस बार. ओके, इट इज हॉरिजॉन्टल बार. ओके, रिप्रेजेंट इन एट द बॉटम ऑफ द डेस्कटॉप. नेक्स्ट, आंसर इन वन वर्ड और वन सेंटेंस. यू कैन गिव इन वन वर्ड और वन सेंटेंस. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, name the application that provide all kind of paid and free apps. That is Windows Store. Okay, Windows Store application like a app Play Store in a mobile phone, Windows Store in Windows 10 for providing paid and free apps. Second, which option of context menu is used to change the background, desktop background? Answer is personalize. Third, which option display the basic information about an icon? Answer is properties. When you right click on that icon, there is a one option that is property. When click on the property, it will give you basic information about that icon, like name of the icon, the author of the icon, time at which time that icon created, size of the icon, is it read only or write. All information are included in properties. Fourth, name the area of File Explorer that display the most common properties associated with the selected file. नेम द एरिया ऑफ फाइल एक्सप्लोरर. ऐसा कौन सा एरिया है फाइल एक्सप्लोरर का दैट डिस्प्ले द मोस्ट कॉमन प्रॉपर्टी, जो कि सारी कॉमन प्रॉपर्टीज़ होती है ना जो हमने फाइल सेलेक्ट की है फाइल एक्सप्लोरर, उसके बारे में बताता है. दैट इज डिटेल पैन. ओके, लाइक अगर आपने वर्ड की फाइल को सिलेक्ट किया हुआ है तो वो उसकी बेसिक मोस्ट कॉमन प्रॉपर्टीज़ है ना कि ये वर्ड की फाइल है, इसका ऑथर ये है, इस डेट को ये बनी, लास्ट ये मॉडिफाई हुई, ये सब इन्फॉर्मेशन किस में आती है? डिटेल पैन में. ओके, नेक्स्ट, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन एंड यू कैन गिव दीज आंसर्स इन 2 or 3 लाइन्स एंड यू कैन गिव योर ओन आंसर्स. इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी दैट टीचर ने जो आंसर्स दिए हैं आपने वही लिखने हैं. यू कैन गिव योर ओन आंसर्स. ओके, फर्स्ट, एक्सप्लेन एनी 2 फीचर्स ऑफ द Windows 10. देयर आर सो मेनी फीचर ऑफ Windows 10. यू कैन एक्सप्लेन एनी 2. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, Cortana, Windows Store, all apps, attractive and easy to use. All these are the features. You can write any 2 and you have to explain it. Second, differentiate between file and folder. You know what is file? File is used to store information related topic. Okay, And what is folder? Folder is like a cabinet that are used to manage or store all these files in a particular folder. Okay. What is the use of PC icon? This PC icon, you know what is this PC icon? It shows all the drives, files and folders, everything you can see in this PC icons. Okay. What do you know about Cortana? Cortana is a search tool for searching particular file or informations on a computer system as well as on the web. I am also giving answer keys of these question answers and bookwork. You can write answer from these answers. This is the answer of first fill in the blank, second true false, third application based question. Section B multi choice question, C and one word question answer. Next, answers the following questions. You can give answer in 2 or 3 lines. It's on your wish. Okay. All answers are given here. You can write these answers as well as you can write your own answers. It's a good practice if you give your own answers. Firstly, read the chapter. After that, give these answers. Okay.